Hi, welcome back to my channel, Our Anxiety. Another day living with my anxiety. I'm sorry for my voice because I'm going through cold and fever, so my voice might sound different. Okay, so why I am here? You guys must have seen my thumbnail, and you guys must be wondering what is that, right? See, if you see my journey from the beginning, in last year 2025, I got my first panic attack. Then I followed some of the techniques and I was doing good. Then again, I fell for the panic attack, and again, I started my some techniques and I was doing good. Again, this recently, again, I am back to zero. I was just sitting and I was thinking, what is this pattern? So you fell for this and you have all the symptoms. You followed some of the techniques. You are doing good. And after some days, you stop doing some of the techniques. And again, you fall for the same. And again, you start doing. And again, you will stop. Again, you will fall, right? So it's like uh, it's a pattern. It's a pattern. And see, currently what I am doing, it's kind of coping techniques, I would say. Okay, and to be frank, I don't want to do this. I don't want to just cope. I don't want to do this because just coping won't work in anxiety. Okay, so my goal is now, I just want to come out from the anxiety permanently. One day good, second day bad, one day good, third day bad. No, I really don't want to do any of these coping techniques. I want to come out from the anxiety permanently. I understood the pattern now, okay, how it works. So my mistake is also there here because see, my body, I started getting the symptoms in the year of 2020. Okay, so it took 5 years, almost 5 years, to completely overlap on my body, correct? So my recovery and coming out from anxiety for permanently, it might also take 5 years, right? So I was wrong. I was wrong that within 6 months or within a year I will come out from this. No, I was wrong. And also, I stopped doing some of the techniques. There also, I was wrong. Okay, so now my goal is permanently come out from the anxiety. I already started my work on that, and I will tell you guys what I have started and what mindset I have currently. Okay, this is for everybody, whoever is I will not say fight, because we shouldn't fight with the anxiety, because as you are in that fight mode, you will have a tension in your body, and adrenaline start releasing more, and again you will be in that mode of anxiety. Okay, so don't say fight, do not fight with anxiety. So what to do now? First thing, the coping technique, what I said, I have decided I will stop doing coping techniques because I am done with that. It is enough now. Coping technique will not give me a permanent solution. Okay, this is for that time and done. And whenever it comes again, you have to use that. Okay, so I don't want to do any of the coping techniques. That's the one thing I have decided. Okay, so coping technique means whenever you get the panic attack, okay, start breathing, deep breathing, and get tie some band or something, or a hold ball or something. Okay, just press that, or put water, hot water, just, or cold water. Many things are there. Eating sour things. Okay, those are the coping techniques. Okay, that is good for those who gets the panic attack one time, two time, okay, but not for me. I feel, because I'm like, I get a panic attack very frequently, so I don't want to be with the coping techniques anymore. So what I should do when I get the panic attack or something, I have decided, let the panic attack come, okay, I will face that. I know it's a very hard, I might sound funny, okay, how can you just face it, what this girl is talking, but this is a truth, this is a reality. See, as I told my pattern, I was doing good, again back, I was doing good, again back to normal, and again I am back to zero, right? So what I should do? So I want to destroy this pattern. I don't want this pattern. So that's why I decided this way. Stop doing coping techniques. First thing, okay. Whenever panic attack comes, accept that. Okay, it might be very hard for me initially. Okay, it will be hard. I know. Okay, so which you feel fear, or which you feel that place you will get a panic attack, go to that place, face it, okay. For example, I got a panic attack in the supermarket, right? So whenever I go there, my heart start racing. So what I am doing, daily I am going to the supermarket, whether to buy or not to buy, I am going there, which I started recently. I'm going there, I will just take a round, and I will watch people, and I will come out. This is kind of assignment I have started, okay. And the second one, some people are scared to take bath, shower, close the door and take shower, especially the shower, they feel like numb, okay. Then take it as an assignment and do that. Let the heart race. Remember that panic attacks are not dangerous, so that I kept it in my mind now, okay. Whatever happens, you have already done all the tests, okay, your test reports are normal, and panic attacks are not at all dangerous. So face it. How much it will go? It will go 120, 130, 160, 180, 200. Let it go, it will come back, right? So that's what I did. One practical example, okay. So I ran yesterday, okay, and my heart rate was around 184, and I didn't feel anything. The heart rate was 184, my heart rate can go to till 184, and I was feeling so relaxed. I ran, I did that a physical activity. But just for the panic attack where heart rate goes around 120, we get scared. Why? Right? Ask yourself. So that's what I understood here. Like, my heart rate goes to the 184, 187 when I run. Still, I'm so fit and I don't feel anything. I don't even feel that palpitation that time, to be frank. But when the anxiety, that fear comes, even the 110 heart rate also feels like 200, 300, right? Yeah, so that is a truth. See, that is a reality here. Understand that. So this is a practical example which I did. I just wanted to see how much my heart can hold. So I got the result, okay. So panic attack, might go 130, 160 also, you take 180, still your heart can hold that, right? So that is a truth. Then the second one, the practice what I was doing, that I stopped in between those, whether it is writing, see, here I'm still writing, see this, the panic attacks are not dangerous, right? The such things, somewhere I stopped it. I was not following properly because I was doing good, right? So I just stopped one day. Whenever I feel symptoms, I used to write that, but that I will be doing consistently now, daily, twice, okay. Whether I have symptoms, whether I don't have symptoms, I will be doing. I have already started this. And the breathing techniques, even that I am following daily, which also I stopped, and which also might be the reason for panic attacks to come back, because I was not consistent when I was doing that. I was feeling very good, and that also I will take this as like permanent. I will not stop all these things because this is for our good only, right? So these practices are very good, so this thing I will not stop. Okay. And then daily walking, as I mentioned, that I will be doing it. Other than that, what? Other than the most important thing, I have decided, face it. Face it, whatever the fear, face it. If you are feeling scared of going out, go and face it. That way only we can come out from the anxiety permanently. If you feel like you're inside the lift, if you feel like, oh my god, I am stuck, what if lift stops, what will I do? Even if lift stops, I can manage, say that. And even if it happens, you will be okay, you are safe. Okay, such mindset we should have. That's what I am doing right now. And do not stop yourself anywhere. Face it and see, you will see the changes. This is a pattern. Okay, so where you might take any of the therapy, you might take any of the classes, anything, there only you will see the theoretical way of teaching. Okay, but practically you have to do, it's in your hand. They will not do, it's you have to do. And again, it's your mind, you have to control your mind. Okay, so we know all the theoretical things like an anxiety or panic comes, we have to do this, but practically we are not doing that. Do it practically. It's like we know everything, we know what is this anxiety, what is this panic attack, we know the theory behind it, but practically we are not following it. Do that. Okay, see, that's it. I feel that's it. There is nothing more rocket science here. After all my experience, all these patterns, I understand. Face it, accept it, and permanently you will come out from the anxiety. This is the only way. Okay, if you take any classes, anything, they will say only this much. Okay, but finally it's in your hand to follow that. So again, some people might say our symptoms are very severe, we cannot manage our daily routine. You guys can consult psychiatrist and you can start the medication also if psychiatrist says you should. But for me, psychiatrist prescribed the medicine, but I didn't start. So those are only required when you are not able to do any of the daily task. Okay, so that's what I understood. Now the last thing is face it, because I did all the coping technique, whatever I tried since last 1.5 years. Okay, so it is again and again coming back. So then I understood permanent solution for this is face it. For instance, um, I'll tell you, see, a roller coaster. Okay, roller coaster, first you feel you are afraid to sit in the roller coaster, but once you sit, once you face that feeling, you will be like, okay, what will happen? Only that much, right? I can sit on that next time. Okay, the first time you will have that fear, but the second time you might have little bit, but the third time you don't have that fear of sitting on the roller coaster. You will say, okay, I'll feel little bit, butterflies in the stomach, or some movement. Okay, so other than that, what will happen, right? The same thing with the anxiety. Accept it, face it. The main problem of this is we are not facing, we are scared of, oh my god, what if I get a panic attack? Say, even if I get a panic attack, I can come through out. Okay, so this is my decision. I just wanted to share with you people. I am done with the coping techniques, so no more coping techniques. Let this wave come, I will pass through it, and it's my challenge on the camera. I will come out of this anxiety permanently. Okay, yeah, I'm coming live. I don't know, like I don't find anybody genuine people who is suffering from the anxiety and panic attack. It's good if you guys join the live and share your symptoms or share your stories also, because we can connect with only those people who is already going through or experience all these anxiety and panic attack. Okay, only those people can understand us better, because we know that, right? How it feels. So I request, please join the live and share your stories. If you feel like the time is not matching, you can add your stories in my comment section. I will reply to that. Okay. And yeah, let's see. I have started my journey, so wish me luck, and I'm surely come out from this anxiety permanently. Thank you for watching my video, and please support me and also share this channel with those people who is suffering from anxiety, panic attack, any mental issues. Okay, so because they will know they are not alone. Okay, thank you, bye.